Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to install this Ring plug-in mount for your floodlight camera. So if you have a Ring floodlight camera and you don't have an electrical box on the outside of your house, you can install this and then just plug it into an outlet. It works for the Floodlight Pro and the Plus model. Very simple to install. The first thing we're going to do is mount this bracket. It's got an up arrow and lots of different screw hole positions. Here's the 2 screws. Once you've got this installed, then you're going to take this, the cord comes out the bottom. You're going to find these little grooves, but you want to rotate it. You're going to rotate it until it clicks all the way. Make sure you clicks all the way because the light is kind of heavy and you don't want it to fall off. Then we're simply going to wire it up the light and then plug this in. This is a 20-foot cord. It's got a 90-degree bend on the end I really do like. We've got a little S-hook to help us hold the light, wire nuts, and then the little nuts that are going to go on here when it's done. It even comes with the tool. Now the main reason we're going to use this tool is for these little nuts. You put them right here, and then now we can screw in the light like this. This is super nice. Now there's all different places you can put the screws, but you want to make sure the up arrow is up. This is exactly 5 inches across, and it's only about a 1/2 inch thick. Okay, both screws are installed. Make sure this is level because that will affect the light being level. Now put it in, but this is the most important part. Rotate it, and it's going to not necessarily click, but you want to make sure it rotates into those grooves really good. Okay, now find that S-hook, and there's a lanyard on this light. You're going to put it on the lanyard, and I like to hook it right here. Now grab your wire nuts, and let's screw on the wire nuts. All right, don't leave the other end not plugged in so we don't have power on it. Just take the 2 wires, the black ones, twist them together. Now take the wire nuts, hold the 2 wires together, and then you're going to screw it on until it stops. You really want that to be a nice, secure connection. There you go, nice and secure. Okay, all 3 wire nuts are secured. Get your little tool with the nut ready to go. Now you're going to lift this up. Take this S-hook I don't want to keep it in there. Take it off all the way. The camera's going to go down at the bottom. There is a place to tuck these in. You don't want to pinch any of them. Find the opening. And you do need to kind of push it on. Yeah, just kind of fit them in there. And now push it on. There. Now we got to make sure the light is out of the way. Now if those threads aren't poking through, that means the wire nuts are caught on that little cable in there or something. So you may have to take it off a few times, readjust those. You should be able to push it on so that those are exposed. Now we're going to take our tool and put that nut on. And we want to do one side and then tighten them down equally. All right, that one we got to push on. And now line it up. Yeah, I didn't have it lined up. Thankfully, they do give you an extra one. Again, push on. And then I like to walk these down gradually. You don't want to tighten one side. Tighten them both at the same time. Gotta get that lined up just right. There, now I did it. That one was a little tricky. Now walk them down at the same time. Again, what I was talking about earlier, when you push this on, if there's a big space there, that means the wire nuts are kind of caught on something. Reposition them, and you should be able to push that on. Now the simplest part, plug it in. And it's ready to go. So with that installed, my Ring camera floodlight's going to stick out about 8 inches or so. But again, 20-foot cord. It doesn't come with any wire clamps, so you're going to may have to buy some wire clamps to clamp it to the side of the house or something. But at least you have power now. And again, this is the Pro. It works with the Plus also. Here's the old way of mounting it. So you'd have to have an electrical box. There's the bracket that comes with it. The wires would be coming out of your house and you have to install that bracket. then this would install on that. So, but you have to have a box on the outside of your house for that to work. Where this one, I can put this anywhere within a 20-foot reach of a plug. So I hope this unboxing and how to install video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.